Hey, this is the Car Doctor coming to you with a quick tip for owners of certain model Jeep products experiencing a steering wobble or excessive vibration on certain road surfaces. Watch this quick tip and I'm going to help keep you on the road. If you're the owner of a 1995 through 2011 Jeep Wrangler, TJ or YJ, and you're experiencing a wobble situation on certain road surfaces, you may have a faulty steering stabilizer or steering dampener. Failure of the steering dampener assembly is a common issue that creates an unsafe condition during certain road surface maneuvers where the steering wheel in the vehicle begins to violently shake and oscillate, causing an unsafe condition and potentially loss of control. The most obvious form of failure would be the presence of hydraulic fluid leaking from the stabilizer assembly. You want to definitely check your other steering linkage and front end suspension parts for any type of wear when a condition like this occurs. Check that the tires are properly inflated, that they've been rotated, that there's no signs of abnormal wear. Check your ball joints, your tie rod ends, your steering box for excessive play. You want to definitely check your track bar on this vehicle. Track bar wear allows the entire front differential assembly to shift from side to side. So if there's even a minute amount of wear in those items and your stabilizer itself is beginning to weaken, those problems will be exacerbated and an unsafe condition may present itself. On this particular vehicle, the front tires were abnormally worn due to the fact that the front end alignment was out. There was a toe-in issue, and those tires needed to be properly inflated, and we've rotated them. We're going to finish the job by completing a front end alignment, but in the meantime, we're going to replace the steering stabilizer on this vehicle. It's a relatively quick repair. First, I'm going to remove this cotter pin that's securing the fastener on the drag link end of the steering stabilizer. Now I'm going to remove this retaining bolt on the other end of the steering stabilizer. In this application, it takes a 18 millimeter wrench on one end and a 15 millimeter socket on this end. Now I'm going to tap on this end to get it out. I'm not going to tap directly on the stud. I don't want to mushroom this out. I'm going to tap right here. I'm going to be careful not to hit the plastic radiator or I'll get a bath and antifreeze and a very unhappy customer. Okay, now I got my shock out and I can feel that it's, the valving is a little bit weak. I've seen a lot worse, and there's no signs of external leakage, but it's definitely weak. And the first little bit is there's no dampening at all in this, so it's fried. So you got a few options. There's obviously aftermarket and original equipment parts available. I suggest going with a quality part. You know, Rancho offers a really nice heavy duty unit. There's some other great brands available out there. 50, 60,000 miles, these things are getting worn, and depending on the type of driving that you do, if you're doing off-roading stuff, then it's going to wear before that. If you have larger tires, then I suggest going with a more robust unit because you're going to need to dampen that steering backlash more with the bigger tire because it's more responsive to the road surface, and especially during off-road driving conditions, it's gonna get slammed around quite a bit. So go with the quality product and you won't be disappointed. Actually, this is the part I'm going with. It's a KYB brand. It's a lifetime warranty, super quality unit, and it also, the advantage is it bolts to the original mounting location, so there's not a whole lot of adaptation hardware that needs to be installed. So on the drag link end, there is a conical shaped insert that goes right in the drag link. So basically what we're doing is duplicating that by installing 2 washers on either side, and then the conical shaped insert. So a washer on the top, a washer on the bottom, the conical insert, and then this. Okay, there we go. Well, we're going to continue on with the alignment. Like I said, I've already rotated the tires, adjusted tire pressure, and we're going to get this thing back on the road. Hey, appreciate the likes and subscriptions to our channel, and thanks for watching my videos. I hope this one was helpful, and you know, have fun out there. All right, talk to you later.